We designed the KitchenAid Precision Press to brew authentic French press coffee at home. To accomplish this, we developed an integrated scale and timer to make it easy to measure coffee and water and ensure proper steep time all within the carafe. The carafe features stainless steel dual-wall construction for better insulation, so the coffee stays hot. We designed the KitchenAid Precision Press coffee maker so anyone can make bold, full-bodied French press coffee at home.